Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalaya Varje Pune. We will continue the chapter Coordinate Geometry. Today we will solve practice set 5.1 and example number 4. Verify that the point P having coordinate negative 2, 2, Q having coordinate 2, 2 and R having coordinate 2, 7 are vertices of right angle triangle. Here the triangle PQR is given, the P having coordinate negative 2, 2, Q having coordinate 2, 2 and R having coordinate 2, 7. Where to show that the one angle of the triangle PQR is 90 degree. That means we have to apply here the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Tell me the converse of Pythagoras theorem. The squares of length of largest side is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides. Then the triangle is a right angle triangle. Therefore, first we have to find out the length of side PQ, QR and PR. To find the length of PQ, we have to apply here the distance formula. We know that the distance between any 2 points is equal to root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. To find the distance PQ, that means we have to subtract the coordinate of point P from the coordinate of point Q. म्हणजे इथे लक्षात घ्या डिस्टन्स PQ काढण्यासाठी काय बरं करावं लागेल आपल्याला, तर Q च्या कोऑर्डिनेट मधून P चे कोऑर्डिनेट सबट्रॅक्ट करायचे. First we take subtraction between their x coordinate. The x coordinate of point Q is how much? 2 minus x coordinate of point P is how much? Minus into bracket negative 2 bracket complete close bracket complete its square plus. Now we take subtraction between their y coordinate. Tell me the y coordinate of point Q is 2 minus into bracket the y coordinate of point P is how much? 2 bracket complete close bracket complete its square. Now we have to simplify this. Is equal to root of 2 as it is, minus into minus becomes as plus 2 bracket complete its square plus here 2 as it is, plus into minus becomes as minus 2 as it is its square. Now in the first bracket 2 plus 2 is nothing but how much? 4 its square plus 2 minus 2 is nothing but 0 its square is equal to root of the square of 4 is nothing but how much? 16 plus the square of 0 is nothing but how much? 0 is equal to root of 16 plus 0 is nothing but how much? 16 and square root of 16 nothing but 4. We find out here length PQ is equal to 4. This is equation number 1. Now to find the length of QR, again we apply distance formula. Therefore distance QR is equal to काय करायला पाहिजे सांगा मला इथे. We subtract the coordinate of point Q from the coordinate of point R. That means R मधून Q चे coordinate subtract करायचे. First we take subtraction between the x coordinate. Therefore QR is equal to root of x coordinate of point R is how much? 2 minus into bracket x coordinate of point Q is how much? 2 bracket square plus. Now we take subtraction between their y coordinate. Y coordinate of point R is how much? 7 minus into bracket y coordinate of point Q is how much? 2 bracket complete square bracket complete its square. Now we simplify. QR is equal to root of 2 as it is plus into minus becomes as minus 2 bracket complete its square plus 7 as it is plus into minus becomes as minus 2 bracket complete its square. Now in the first bracket 2 minus 2 is nothing but how much? 0 its square plus 7 minus 2 is nothing but how much? 5 its square is equal to root of, we know that the square of 0 is equal to 0 plus square of 5 is nothing but 25. 0 plus 25 is nothing but root of 25, and we know that 25 is the square of 5, therefore root of 25 is equal to 5, therefore QR is equal to 5. This is the 2, therefore length of QR is equal to 5. Now to find the length of PR, we apply the distance formula again. By the distance formula, distance PR is equal to, काय करायचं लक्षात घ्या, R मधून P चे कोऑर्डिनेट सबट्रॅक्ट करायचे. Here the x coordinate of point R is how much? 2. Therefore root of, in the first bracket 2 minus into bracket x coordinate of point P is negative 2, bracket complete, its square, plus into bracket the y coordinate of point R is how much? 7, minus into bracket the y coordinate of point P is how much? 2, bracket complete, its square. Now simplify this. PR is equal to root of 2 as it is, minus into minus becomes as plus 2 bracket square plus 7 as it is, plus into minus becomes as minus 2 bracket complete, its square, is equal to root of 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4, its square, plus 7 minus 2 is nothing but 5, its square. Now the square of 4 is how much? 16, plus square of 5 is nothing but 25. Now take addition, we will get PR is equal to root of 41. This is the 3. Therefore we write here PR is equal to root of 41. Tell me which is the largest side in this triangle? Of course, the PR is the largest side. Why? 41 is lies between 36 and 49. Therefore, a square root of 41 is also lies between 6 and 7. Therefore, this length of side PR is greater than the remaining two side PQ and QR. Therefore, we take square of addition of remaining two side. That means PQ square plus QR square is equal to length of PQ is nothing but 4, its square, plus length of QR is nothing but 5, its square. The square of 4 is nothing but 16, plus square of 5 is nothing but 25. 16 plus 25 is nothing but how much? 41. This is the equation number 4. Now we take the square of largest side. Here the largest side is PR, therefore square of PR is equal to root of 41, its square. The square and square root of cancel out, we will get PR square is equal to 41. This is the equation number 5. From equation 4 and 5, its RHS is same, therefore LH is also same, therefore PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. That means the square of length of largest side is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides. That means by the corners of Pythagoras theorem, the point PQR are the vertices of right angle triangle. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, also share this video. Thank you.